Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel, and this is my first face video. I hope you will like this video, but I know that this video will not be too much professional or there will be too much mistake. I'm not sure, but I wanted to share a big news with all of my subscribers. So this news is that I'm going to creating 5 Shopify website fully free for 5 new small business owner or 5 new entrepreneur. Actually, these 5 people will be from my subscriber, from my followers. So if you follow my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you watch my video regularly, you can comment the below of this video, and I will create 5 full professional Shopify online store using 5 different Shopify free theme. Actually, I wanted to make a series tutorials how to create professional Shopify website step by step following free Shopify theme. Actually, this time I have to create a website, and that's why I wanted to create a free professional website for 5 different entrepreneurs from my subscribers. So if you think this is good idea, then comment the below and share your opinion. And if you are interested to make your website fully free, then you can contact with me. Just 5 members. But I'm not going to create unlimited website fully free. I'm just going to create 5 website that will be fully free. There is no any hidden cost. I will make the full professional website for you if you are interested. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful or this idea is good, then you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye. So now I am going to share how I select the first 5 people who get this free website service from my 7,000 subscriber. So basically I will work for first 5 people who connect with me at first, then others, and then I filter who provide me all the required element like website content, logo, product images, product description. So I hope you understand. This is very easy and simple process. And then I will filter another things, that is who give me much time to make website fully free. So the deadline or project length will be 2 weeks to complete full website, then you get it fully free. So now let's enjoy some blog video section of me and my son. Let's get started.